Silencing Instagram notifications on the Galaxy S24 helps minimize distractions and maintain focus by temporarily disabling alerts from the app. Here's how it's done. First, go to the screen where your Instagram app is located. Tap and hold the Instagram icon until a menu appears, then tap the small app info icon in the top right corner. On the next screen, tap Notifications. If notifications are not already enabled, make sure to toggle them on. Scroll down and tap Notification Categories. Next, select Instagram Direct or any specific category you want to customize. For this tutorial, we'll change the notification sound for Direct. Now, tap Sound to select a notification sound. Choose Silent. This means that all other notifications will still play, except for this one. Once you've made your selection, tap the back arrow at the top to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully silenced the notification sound for Instagram on your Galaxy S24. Now you can enjoy a more tailored experience with your device. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.